I am so excited because my Nok Box kit arrived and it's got so many wonderful components to it. The first one is the key system, where if you've got duplicate keys, you can put them in here and label them. Then, of course, it's got the wonderful protected documents pouch as well. And I put a few documents already in there about my mother. And then, of course, it's got hanging file folders, as well as tabs clearly labeled, so you don't have to do any of that. And then the nice thing about the file folders is you can actually put the name of the bank or whatever it is right next to it. And of course, it's got a category for everything. If you have a car, of course, we're always, we have those online communities, so it has that as well. And of course, the most important legal documents, as well as the estate documents. So the kit that I have is fireproof because we always want to make sure we protect our documents. And you're probably thinking, that's a lot of stuff. Well, you know what? They've thought of everything, because included with the kit is actually instructions. You don't have to get overwhelmed because it has a checklist. So you can just go down each item and just do it, in your own leisure, and just kind of schedule some time to do it. But I love the detail of the documents because it has such things as water shut off location, something we all need to know. So there's details to below to get your kit. So I can't wait to share with you what it looks like when it's fully put together.